Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a product from your Zara cart. Whether you are cleaning up your bag or changing your mind, this is easy to do, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Zara application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, tap on the shopping bag icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now this will show you the list of items in your shopping bag. Scroll through the list and find the product you want to remove. Right underneath the product, you will see a delete button. Tap on it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the item. The cart will then refresh and the item should be gone. So that's how you easily delete an item from your shopping cart on Zara. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.